In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Adobe Express. Adding a shadow to your text is a simple way to create depth, improve readability, and help your message pop, especially over photos or colorful backgrounds. Let's walk through it together so you can get clean, professional results in just a few clicks. First, select the text box in your design that you want to add a shadow to. Click or tap directly on the text, and make sure you see the bounding box or handles appear around it. If you're working with multiple text elements, double-check that the one you want is highlighted. If nothing happens later, it usually means the text wasn't selected, so this step is key. With your text selected, look for the text panel. Depending on your layout, it's usually in the left sidebar or along the top toolbar. Inside the text panel, go to Effects. If you don't see Effects, it's often because no text is selected, so click the text again, and the option should appear. Scroll through the effects and find Shadow. You'll see different shadow looks designed to give you instant results. Take a moment to browse, because the presets range from subtle and soft to bold and dramatic. Click a shadow style to apply it, and you'll see the change applied immediately to your selected text. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can switch styles as many times as you like. If you see a settings or gear icon next to the shadow option, tap it to customize the effect. Here's where you fine-tune the look. Adjust the color to contrast with your background. A darker shadow works well on light images, while a lighter, softly tinted shadow can lift text on dark backgrounds. Use blur to control softness. Lower blur gives a crisp, defined edge, while higher blur creates a gentle, diffused glow. Set the angle to define the direction of the light source, and try to keep it consistent with other elements in your design so everything feels cohesive. Finally, adjust the distance to move the shadow closer or farther from the text. A small distance keeps things clean and modern. A larger distance adds drama and depth. Take a moment to step back and evaluate. Subtle adjustments often make the biggest difference, and the live preview helps you dial in the perfect balance. That's all there is to it. Select your text, open effects, choose shadow, and customize color, blur, angle, and distance until your text looks just right.